In this course, we're going to discuss the 10 things every production SQL Server box should have. The number one thing every box should have is a good backup strategy. It's the single most important facet of every SQL Server DBA's job to be able to recover the databases under your management in the event of a catastrophe. So, in our first section, we're going to discuss several approaches to backing up your databases so they can be easily recovered in an outage. We're going to talk about statistics and why it's important to keep them up to date. We're going to talk about consistency checks and how often you should run them. Fragmentation happens. We want our indexes as clean as possible, so we're going to create jobs to reindex our databases. We're going to alter the default growth setting on all of our databases. The 1 meg default just won't cut it. We're going to cover the how and why to add error detection to our databases. We're going to talk about how to catch critical errors in the error logs. Many critical errors give us warning signs that often precede a critical failure. We're going to test out our restore strategy. How do you know if your backup strategy works if you've never tested a restore? Lastly, we're going to set up database mail. Once we have all our jobs in place, we really want to know when one of them doesn't fire correctly.